Hi crochet lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to make a mesh crochet stitch. I'm using a milk cotton yarn and a 3.0mm hook. The foundation of a mesh stitch, you are going to be chaining multiples of 3. So I am picking 15 and we are going to add 2 more chains to it. So that means I'm making 17 chains in total. I'll start by making a slip knot and I am going to chain 17. So we are going to skip this one and do a double crochet right here. So I'm going to do a double crochet into the second and then double crochet. Then you're going to chain 1, 2. You're going to chain 2 and skip 2, 1, 2, and into the third stitch you are going to do a double crochet. So I'm using this to indicate. So this is 1, 2. We're not doing a double crochet there. You're going to do it into this third one. So you're going to do your double crochet right here. And we're going to chain 1 and 2. You're going to skip 2 stitches. This is 1 and 2, and to the third one you're going to do a double crochet. So I'm just going to do a double crochet here. And chain 1, 2. You're going to skip 1, 1, 2, and into the third one you'll do a double crochet stitch. Adding another double crochet and chain 1, 2. So you're going to skip 1, 2, and 3 and we do a double crochet. So chain 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So you see, this is why we need multiple of 3 with extra 2 chains. So you're just going to do a double crochet into the very last stitch here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for the second row, you are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and do a double crochet into this very first. So you're going to be doing a double crochet on every double crochet that you did in the first row. So you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and do a double crochet on this right here. Double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and do a double crochet right on the previous double crochet in 1, chain 2, and do a double crochet right here. So chain 2, 1, 2, and do a double crochet on this right here. Chain 2 again, and you do a double crochet on this stitch right here. This one and 2. So